Jim Pinkham with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to look at the 2020 ATX 22S surf boat. In the back of the boat we have a real nice swim deck. Underneath there's a TAPS 3T system for surf, skiing, wakeboarding. The 3T stands for 3 tons of pressure. If you take a look at the hydraulic trim tab system that ATX uses, you'll see it's pretty robust and very strong. Stepping further inside the boat, this ATX model uses the Wet Sounds 8-inch speakers. It's got a great stereo system. You'll see it's got a real nice bimini top. There's about 8 foot of coverage up here on the top. Really nice ski tower. Underneath here, there's some gas hinges. One person could actually undo these 2 knobs. This tower will fold down with the gas-assisted shocks that are built into the ski tower system. Underneath, we have removable backs. All the seats have got tons of storage underneath. You'll see how deep the storage lockers are inside the boat. We also have a rearward facing seat. This seat comes out, flips in here so that your passengers can look rearward while you're towing somebody. Again, removable backrest here. Very nice open cockpit. Up here at the captain's chair, it's very comfortable. It's got a bolster seat to it. It swivels and slides. We've got the touchscreen 7-inch system over here. It's a go system. So it's basically if you want to ski, surf, wake, push one button, hit go, and the boat will automatically set all of your adjustments for you. All your ballast, your trim tabs, everything. You'll see that ATX puts all of their systems over on one side. It's very simple to drive. You don't have all the cluster up here that's in your way of the view. You've got a real nice steering wheel that moves. Down here is a phone charger built in. It's got a real nice windshield, cuts in the glass back here. So you can see the bow area is very large as well. Some of the nice features that we also use on this boat are pop-up stainless steel cleats. The floor liner in this boat is all fiberglass. When you look at some of the competitors' boats, this boat's going to weigh in about 600 pounds heavier than similar boats in the same category. But this is the 2020 Shadow Edition ATX. If you'd like to see it, call or come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-892-9676.